Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we are in Reno, Nevada, and we are about to take in an adventure checking out the Row and see what this casino resort has to offer. So located in the heart of downtown Reno, the Row unites three iconic casino resorts. So we'll be starting off walking from the Eldorado, which is the first casino, and we'll be heading through the Silver Legacy and our adventure at Circus Circus. So we are talking about the Row. The Row is sprawling, one-of-a-kind resort experience that is literally a city within a city. So the best description to describe the Row, not Skid Row, the Row is that this is a city within a city. Located in the heart of downtown Reno, the Row unites three iconic casino resorts, like I mentioned, the Dorado Resort Casino, Silver Legacy Resort Casino, and Circus Circus in Reno. So, as you can see, the bottom floor is all vintage slot machines. If you watch my previous episode of Alex's Adventures, I did a walk-around tour of downtown Reno, and this is basically like Las Vegas Fremont Street. So one of the iconic landmarks inside the Eldorado is this fountain, which unfortunately is undergoing maintenance, but you can see how this resembles much of Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas fountain at their atrium mall. And once we go up to this floor here, you can see that we have more slot machines. So this is the main artery inside the Row. Here you have a series of escalators that will take you up and down between the floors, where you can have access to each of these eating establishments. This is the Cafe Central, which is basically an American diner, open 24/7 inside the Row, which I tried that place and it is actually good. Here you have some more slot machines. So as we head to the center of the Row, we are stepping into the Silver Legacy's casino, and it is notable for this spear-like structure. Here you have this restaurant here, and you have this iconic feature inside of the spear, and this isn't the spear like in Las Vegas, but Nevada likes their spear. So here's the Cafe Central dining area, and as we head down in this direction, this goes towards the reception area for the Silver Legacy casino. Here we have Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. Here we have more slot machines inside the Silver Legacy's portion of the Row. And yeah, so this area is basically a city within the city. So these three properties owned by Caesars Entertainment are seamlessly connected by indoor walkways. That means that you can move between all three without ever stepping foot outside. A true blessing during a chilly Reno winter or a scorching summer day like today. So the Eldorado Resort Casino is basically have high-end restaurants and a bustling casino for this Silver Legacy Resort Casino. Here you have a glimpse of the hotel's iconic 120-foot tall dome with its mining-themed mining rig and a glimpse of a top golf swing suite. So that's the mining rig, and here is a plaque, the legend of old silver. So you can always take a look at this plaque and learn more about this place. So moving on from the Eldorado and Silver Legacy, Eldorado is known for its luxury atmosphere and award-winning restaurants, while the Silver Legacy is famous for its dome atrium that we saw there. And now we are walking towards Circus Circus in Reno, not Circus Circus in Las Vegas. There's another Circus Circus in Reno, which is the family-friendly hub of the row with a Midway of carnival games and arcade in it, and it does have free circus acts that's been thrilling audiences for decades. So a fun fact about the row is that with over 4,000 hotel rooms, 25 restaurants, and a combined 227,000 square feet of casino space, the row is a destination in itself. So we are entering the Circus Circus portion of the row, the third casino here inside the row. Here is basically the miniature, the smaller condensed version of the Circus Circus in Las Vegas. So here you have these Midway, these arcade games. Here's the center stage where you catch a circus acts. Here you have the redemption area for players. And here you have several Midway games. Pretty interesting. Really like how, to be honest, I've been to the Circus Circus in Las Vegas. This seems more lively. I guess it's because it's more condensed. It's really spread out in Las Vegas. So, yeah. Hopefully this gives you a great insight of what is inside the world. Unfortunately, I cannot play these games inside. Carrying super light. That is. Yeah, so that is what we have here inside the room. So let's go ahead and go towards the bottom of the casino floor and check out the slot machines, which is beneath all of the kid-friendly, family-friendly, that is, which is on the top level. And yeah, so nothing too fancy here. And yeah, so that is all three casinos inside the row. So here's the exterior of the Circus Circus Casino Reno, the Silver Legacy Resort and Casino, and Eldorado. So that will do it for this episode of Alex's Adventures. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment section below what you think about the row. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And ultimately, see you on the next one.